BC Foundations, your partner for deep foundation solutions across British Columbia. Equipped with specialized machines and powerful drive heads, we install engineered helical piles efficiently and with precision, even in the most challenging soils. Each pile is advanced carefully into stable soils until the required torque is reached, ready to support concentrated point loads or to form part of a strong reinforced grade beam system. Our equipment installs piles quickly and cleanly with minimal disturbance, reducing excavation, saving valuable time, and protecting your property throughout construction. Helical piles are the ideal choice for house extensions, for renovations, and for underpinning existing foundations where settlement or movement has already occurred. BC Foundations, engineered solutions for the most demanding soils across British Columbia. Our compact equipment is built to work in tight spaces alongside existing structures, even directly beneath roof lines, where traditional excavation would be impossible. With underpinning, we stabilize existing homes by transferring the weight of the structure deep into competent soils. These piles are engineered to safely bear the load, and in many cases, can gently raise and re-level foundations that have already settled. From preparation to careful installation to final engagement, we deliver a complete underpinning system designed, supervised, and certified by professional engineers. Helical piles also provide reliable support for grade beams, forming a secure structural base for new construction projects. For hard-to-access projects, we deploy handheld drive units, allowing installations from inside crawl spaces, basements, and other confined areas. Once piles are installed, steel underpinning brackets connect directly to the foundation, ensuring strength, durability, and long-term stability. From start to finish, every installation is completed with precision. Our crews adapt to interior or exterior access challenges, cut piles to exact design heights, and secure engineered brackets. Whether it's underpinning a home, supporting point load footings, or preparing for an addition, helical piles remain the proven solution. Across British Columbia, BC Foundations provides engineered deep foundation systems you can depend on. If you are a homeowner facing settlement issues, a contractor building on weak or unstable soils, or an engineer designing for demanding ground conditions, contact BC Foundations today. Strong, reliable foundations anywhere in BC.